Hello everyone and welcome to this lecture. In this tutorial, we will see how to use Git Revert command. So Revert command is basically useful when you want to eliminate changes which are done in some commits but do not want to remove commit history. For example, if on top of this commit, I committed 3 more commits, and then if I want to remove changes done in those commits but do not want to history of my Git repo, then I can use Git Revert command. So let's see a demonstration. This is our text file. We will add few commits in this file and then we will revert all those changes. So let's add one by one those message 1, add it, commit it, add another message, add it, commit it, add one more message, and then we will see how to use revert command. Now I'm going to push these changes. Let's check the commits on GitHub. I'm going to refresh this screen. We see all these commits and we can verify the changes. We see message 1, 2, and 3 are present. Now, if we want to bring the file to its original position but maintain the commit history, we can pick this commit ID, copy it, and run git revert command supplying this commit ID. So Git will revert all the changes done starting from this commit ID. So let's run the command. I have copied the commit ID. So we saw some conflicts. So it says anything between this line and this line are the current changes, and anything between this line and this line are incoming changes. So if I accept incoming changes, it reverted all those changes. I save it. I added a message, reverted last 3 commits, and I push it. So changes are pushed. I am refreshing. So what that command did, it eliminated changes done in these commits, but it still will maintain the commit history. So you see, history is still maintained, but if we open the file, it has removed all those changes and only maintaining the hello world, which was present at this commit ID. So that's how we can utilize the revert command. And that's all about this tutorial. If you like the information, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in next tutorial.